Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Nobody but God.
We see it like New Yorkers.
So that's how you feel about New Yorkers?
They're always drunk.
No, that's a lie.
Dirty, rat infested, roaches.
That's a lie.
Everybody talk to the side and shit.
So
y'all can't drive. New York can't drive because y'all really don't got cars up there.
What do you mean? We have cars. I've been having a car since I was 16.
People have money, they got cars. Most of the people, y'all just walk. Be aggravating ugly, looking like bums. Always asking for something. I don't got nothing to give you, sir.
Guys, so we're going to Sephora.
First stop Sephora.
First stop Sephora. It's very nice outside, very warm and hot. So we had to park very far.
This is like a 2-mile walk to get to Sephora.
Yeah, but you know, gonna look at some goodies. I love Sephora. I think I love Ulta better.
I like Ulta better too.
Yeah, we're gonna see what we can find.
This is so cute. I like this one. No, it's kind of. No, never mind. It looks better. This one is cute. I mean, it's gonna be super big on me, but like a sleepover bag, business trip. Oh, this is cute. This is perfect. That's you. Let me see. That one is really cute. It looks like the other one. This one is perfect. No, that one is really cute. Came into Primark and we just seen some bathing suits. I haven't been wanting to go swimming like that lately.
I wanna go to the beach.
Me too. But I'm getting one. And they're only $12. I'm not gonna lie, I like this. The little leopard. The leopard is kind of cute. The bandana is cute, but I don't have nothing at the top to hold me up. In fact, I like this one. Do you see a bottom? To this one. I feel like this one is way better. Let's get into the details. I like the way this one fits. It feels better because I feel like anything with a string, I can make it tight and it feels like it's not gonna fall off. These make me nervous, but I always like double knot them. But what y'all think of this one? Is body giving tea or what? This is a mom bod, okay? 3 live human beings came out of this body. I need to get my boobs done. I know what y'all gonna say, but I want my boobs done. Me, but I always forget that my AirPod is in my freaking ear. And I was this year's old. I've been rocking the AirPods the wrong way the whole time. They say you're supposed to put it like this. And then when you put it like this, I literally found that out yesterday. But anyway, I'm in the parking lot. We about to get this 60 minutes in to vent, to let it out, get this therapy session popping. They're not going to come back out the same way we went in. I love that I get to unload from the previous week. But I also feel like it's kind of like a FaceTime call. I don't feel like I'm really like, you know, getting what I need, but I'm trying to be patient with her and understand the way that she, you know, does her method. But baby, you got to give me something to take and do. Give me some homework, something, worksheet, something, because I feel like I'm just talking and I'm not receiving, if that makes sense. Trying to be patient and not let go and give up on myself for the most part when things are uncomfortable or I'm not seeing instant results. But I'm also not trying to waste my time either, if that makes sense. But anyway, I got 3 minutes. I'm going to see y'all when I get out. These are my toes. I love them. I'm going for like a bright neon yellow. Being that the spring is here, this color is so perfect. So I thought I'd give y'all some free foot content. Y'all better hold on to it. Oh, there's a lot in here.
Yeah, we also find stuff.
Yeah, I called. I was looking for a bookshelf.
Oh, we have a couple of little free things in this bin over here if you want to look at it.
Oh. Yeah, she said you can look through it, honey.
Yeah, our bookshelves are right over here.
Ah. You see something you like? Yeah, this is exactly. So
Oh, that's what you need.
I know. We're in a thrift store right now, guys, because I'm looking for a shelf. Freaking winter.
That's the one that they have at Target.
Literally. I wonder how much it is. Oh, I mean, it's a bit much to look through, but There's a lot. It's giving kind of like, you know, hoarders, but I feel like they have really good stuff if you take your time. What do you see? You found something? You guys remember these dolls? Raggedy Ann. These chairs are so nice. So guys, look at this piano. This is a piano from the 50s. See if I got any skills. Period. I have really good stuff here. Look, even a punching bag. All the workout stuff. Tennis rackets, bikes. Wait, these are nice. I couldn't wait to get home to brag and tell you guys what I got. Okay, these chairs were $5 each, okay? $5. But when I tell you these chairs are not just your average chairs, the weight that they have on them, know that these chairs were at least $60 each. And we got them for $5. They would be great to go outside on my like little patio. And then the main attraction is, look at this bookshelf I found. Is it $30, Lyric?
Yes.
$30 for this. And it's exactly what I wanted so that I can get rid of this mess over here with my hair stuff. I want to be able to stack all of my hair products on the shelf. All in all, the experience was really nice. I really love thrifting. 10 out of 10 customer service. The man was so nice there because we really struggled getting this in my truck. We had this and we had the 2 chairs. We also got a hoodie and I got a pair of sweats. I can't show you how the hoodie because it's actually the school Lyric chose to go to. But of course we washing it. And all that to say, they were so nice that the man was like, oh, I'll drive it to your house. And I was like, how much? This man said nothing. And I was just like, it's God. God is all around me. He's always working in my favor. And then when the man brought it to me, I tried to give him the money. And he would not. He refused to take it. He was so freaking nice. He even offered to bring it up to the door. And I was like, no, thank you. But yeah, I'm so excited because I really wanted this bookshelf and it's perfect. Like, literally perfect. It worked out in my favor so beautifully today. So now I'm about to throw the clothes in the wash, get something to drink, relax, and then I'm gonna get to mixing up so that I can stack my beautiful bottles on here. And I don't really know where I'm gonna put the shelf, but I know that I wanted to get rid of that area over there. Because the shelf that was in there, I was in love with it. It was like it was a storage shelf, but it had like you could close the doors, and I really wanted it. But the girl said somebody has it on hold, and I was like, damn. But she took my information and she said if the girl doesn't end up getting it, she'll give me a call. But I went with this, so it's okay for now. Lyric and I are about to give these babies a nice wash down. It's actually beautiful outside, so once we wash them, we can just set them out the balcony and just let them air dry. But baby, even though they look like they're in good shape, we got to disinfect, sanitize, wipe it down, bleach it. Nah, I ain't gonna put no bleach. Can we say professional? Look at the shelf. These are all my bottles. I didn't fill everything up, but I want you guys just to see how much better it looks when everything's organized. So I'll have like the deluxe bottles, and then these are my 4-ounce bottles, and then these are my gel and my buttercream bottles, and then these are my 4-ounce bottles. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet. And then I have some extras here, but eventually the whole goal is to have everything on the shelf filled up with products so that when you guys order, it'll be so much easier for me to just grab, go, and print the label. This is the lineup. I got some gluten-free ice cream cones. If I had to rate them, I'd say 1 out of 10. Tastes like cardboard. I also got Chips Ahoy. They have it in the chewy now. These taste better than the actual Chips Ahoy. And then I also got the Annie's because I heard these are good. These are supposed to be better than Cheez-Its. So I'm going to try these out. And then got some more little, what are these? Little moochies. I love mandarins. I'm hooked on these. I got me some pork ribs. I know people don't be eating pork, but baby, I got to gain weight. So I'm having some ribs. I'm probably going to get some collard greens too. And macaroni and cheese. We are going to do Mommy and Kids Day. I'm taking Mia out early. Juju played hooky today, and this girl does online. So we're about to get Mia. Then we're going to go to Burlington, and we're just going to spend the day together. It's a beautiful day. I want to look at their baby dress. Look at Look at how cute. Why do I keep doing this? I'm always looking at baby clothes, knowing I can't have no more kids. Lyric and I hid something yesterday, and we're hoping that it's here because the line is always so long. Please, Lord, let it be here.
We had another one that was closed and we hid it in here. And someone took
I
it out.
know, but you wanted a hamper anyway, so grab that hamper. You need one. It has hearts on it. They have really cute storage bins in here and hampers. I know, that's what I said. That's really cute. You gonna say hi to the vlog? That's super pretty. I think you dropped the top.
Look at this. Look at this baby.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like it.
It's bigger than you, child.
Not really.
Yes, it is. You need a tinier one. You need a small one like
But
this.
I need this.
Lyric, the Hello Kitty one.
I'm getting this.
Which one would you like, Mia? Mia's a Stanley lover, right? Mia's bougie. She
Oh
loves
my
Stanley
God.
cups.
I don't really like any of them.
No?
This one is cute,
The Ed Hardy one?
but peach is nice.
Oh, I should get it.
This is $70.
Too light. Maybe on the other side.
Oh yeah.
I love these pajamas and I need some new ones. Look at these.
Guys, look at these. Tell me, what is that? This is not super cute.
So
And
cute.
look at the back. This is juicy.
So,
This one is so cute.
Mommy.
It's girly.
that is very cute.
The green
No.
is okay.
I don't like this color either. Those are cute. Let me see the back. Turn them around. Those are really cute. This is cute. This little tube top for $6.99. Even this. This is really cute. It's like cut on a slant. What size are those? You need a 6.5. Yeah, it's mad baggy in the back, but those are cute. Bucket hat.
And the best thing is, it has this rope. I always wanted these ropes.
Oh, that's cool. These are so cute. Aren't they cute? Okay, I see you swagged out. I see you. These are cute. I really like these. I'm gonna show y'all. Grab these from Burlington. Couldn't resist. They're so freaking cute. I think these are like $14.99, but they're so freaking cute and they're so comfy. And then I got these. They're so freaking cute. Oh my god. Look at how tiny my feet are. If you an OG, you know I can't walk in shoes, but the thicker, chunky heel, baby, I be strutting like I'm walking down the runway. Just trying to build my collection up. I actually have some more sandals coming in from Shein. My Shein package came, so let me just show you guys since I'm already showing y'all stuff. The thing I don't like is that they be sending packages individual. Like when I place the order, it's one order, but then they'll send me like a shirt one day and then 2 other items in in another package. Put all my stuff in one package, please and thank you. The thing I got is this cute top. You already know, self-explanatory. Very cutesy. The material is nice and soft. No sandals. Because last year I didn't get any. These are so cute. Let me try them on. These are so cute. Really comfortable. Also got these little chunky ones. Quality is not really giving. You get what you pay for. They're cute. Then I got these. These are so cute. Aren't they? So cute. Black with the neon toes. T, baby, T. Got some claw clips. I love claw clips. These are so freaking cute. 90 cents. And they seem to be pretty durable. Got this maxi dress with the spaghetti. I love these long dresses that you could just put on when it's really hot. I told myself I was going to get a lot of dresses this summer. Dress. So it has an opening right here and then halter top in the back. Bottom. I should try it on for y'all, but I don't feel like it right now. Ruffles at the bottom. Okay, so for this dress, I figured I would pair these sandals. Perfect. And then the claw clip. I'll probably do like a claw clip style. And then, of course, we got the Billie Eilish. It just looks aesthetic, but it's my favorite. I hope this one fits me. Mind you, I just made a mistake and ordered 2, so I'm going to give the other one to Lyric. But it's a halter top, back open. Very long, very cutesy. Your girl's in her cooking spirit. This is gonna be my first time making a spinach dip and I'm excited. Got some chopped spinach, Philadelphia cream cheese. I got pita chips and I also got my Tostitos. These are gluten-free, these aren't. Also tried something different today. Instead of me getting my Sargento cheese, I'm gonna try this brand, Cabot, because it's supposed to be lactose free. So I got Monterey Jack and I also got some Colby Jack. I think I seen a lady say that she also put a little bit of sour cream in hers and a little bit of lemon, but I have that as well. So this is gonna be our little appetizer, and then I also have a taste for empanada. Don't ask me why I'm having these cravings.
She says to me, I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw me to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you?
Simply Michelle.